Good. Peace, love, blessings, and all that good stuff, man. Saturday night, the opening of my art exhibit, Photographic Art Exhibit, Transforming America in Real Time, Building Community Through a Pandemic, here at Flux Factory. December 5th is our first day. It's been a great day, man. Shout out to my man Gil, who came out. He's actually filming this video, man. I won't ask him to edit it because I don't know his editing skills. I'll edit it, but shout out to Gil. Shout out to every single person who came, man. Many thanks to Maya and to my Flux Factory for giving me the opportunity to showcase these photos, right? These are photos that are taken by other photographers at events that I curated since June. Just working to build community, man. Working to keep people inspired, working to keep people fed, working to keep hope instilled in humanity. So I'm just really grateful, you know. The exhibit will be up until the 20th. That's 3 weeks, like this week, and then 2 more weekends. Saturday, Sundays, 1 to 6 p.m. It was a great turnout, man. Photographers came out. Adrian Childress from Unfuck the World, he came out. Eric Cooper came out. A bunch of other friends came out, man. A bunch of people who I never knew came out. Yannick Flores came out, who was his birthday, and he was in my short film, Less Fortunate. He brought a bunch of his friends. It was just great, man. I'm just really excited, really grateful. And thank you all for your support. Appreciate you. Let's transform America. Peace.